Happy birthday, CF My Love. Wow, my love. And Master Founder ng Team Fighters Agency. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, my love, Master Founder, Team Finder Agency.
Happy birthday daw po kay CF My Love and Master Founder ng Team Fighters Agency! Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang founder ng Team Fighters Agency! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to CF My Love at Master Founder ng Team Fighters Agency.
Ako sa Team Admin K, po ay mabati ng happy birthday po, CF My Love at Master Founder na happy birthday po, more big win to come.
Founder and more earnings to come and more Blackball, just call my TL 135355769. OTW na po lagi.
Hello Master, hello CF, happy birthday! More birthdays to come, happy earnings! Hi Mommy! Hi Master! Happy birthday! More blessings and God help always. Love ya! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Master and CF. God bless. And more earnings to come. I love you.
Hello, Master and CF. Happy birthday. More earnings and God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Master! My love! More birthdays to come. God bless us all. Lola, pahingi akong puso!
Hi Mom CF and Master Founder, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. God bless. From Team Admin K po, TFA family, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa inyo!
Hi sis! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! More birthday to come and good health. And God bless you. And Master, happy birthday also. More birthday to come. Yung wish mo ay wish na rin namin para sa'yo. Ganun na rin. Wish lang lahat para sa inyong dalawa. Alam nyo na yun kung ano yun. Happy birthday again. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. I love you.
Hello, Master and CF. Happy birthday to both of you. Ayan na, binati ko na kayo. Alam nyo na, yung talenti ko, mahal to. I love you both.
Hi CF and Master, happy 4th month of loving. Thank you for being the incredible person that you are and for making this past month so magical. So, here's to many more months of love, happiness, and dream come true. And also, happy birthday to both of you on your special day. I want to shower you with all the love and appreciation you deserve. You and not just my guiding star, but the greatest joy in my life. Every moment with you is a gift, and I'm so grateful for the love we share. May this birthday bring you endless happiness, beautiful memories, and everything your heart desires. So, here's to celebrating you today and every day. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. With all my love, Admin CCA.
Hi po, magandang araw po. I'm Admin Ria, under by CF My Love. Gusto ko lang po batiin si Master Founder at saka si CF My Love na happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang na good health always and more blessings to come, both of you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, have a good day to our dear Master Founder and Co-Founder My Love. I just want to get a happiest birthday sa inyong dalawa. Thank you po sa walang sawang pagsusuporta sa buong team ng Team Fighter Agency. Salamat po sa pagiging mabait na leader ninyong dalawa. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong kaarawan. God bless po. Long live. Thank you.
Thanks po from Admin Inu. Happy birthday. Master and Mami Aida. Wish a good health and more blessing to come to all of you, the two of you, and more big win from Mountain Dew. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Hello, Master and CF. Happy birthday. And more power po and more blessing. Sana po dumami pa ang TFA family. Salamat po. Dahil nandyan kayo para sa amin. Thank you po. Happy birthday and more birthday sa inyo pong dalawa at sana po magtagal kayo. Thank you.
Hello po, I'm TF Agent Leslie under CF My Love. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ng happy birthday si Master Founder at CF My Love ng Team Fighters Agency. Wish ko lang po sa inyong dalawa is good health po and more blessings po dahil sa mga blessings din po na sinishare nyo sa amin, babalik din po yan sa inyo ng mas doble pa at deserve nyo po yun. Stay strong po sa inyo and God bless po.
Ayun, so happy birthday po Nay Aida and Master. Sana po magtagal po kayo and sana malagpasan niyo po lahat ng pagsubok na dadating po sa inyong dalawa at sa ating mga ka-TFA. So, yun lang po, maraming salamat po lalong-lalo na po kay Nay Aida. Kundi dahil po sa inyo, matagal ko na po iniwan tong TFA. So, maraming salamat po Nay sa pagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal mo sa amin, hindi lang bilang isang founder, kundi bilang isang nanay na rin namin. So, ayun lang po, happy birthday po Nay Aida and Master. Stay strong po. Yay!
Hi, ako nga pala sa Nay Aida at Justice. Pinapating ko ng happy birthday sa Founder and sa My Love. I hope you stay healthy and stay blessed. Thank you sa lahat ng mga pinibigay sa amin. And ingat po pala.
Hello po, Master. Hello po, CF. Happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. Naway bigyan po kayo ng Panginoon ng malusog na pangangatawan at maraming blessings po. Wish ko po sa inyong dalawa ang habang buhay na kasiyahan at sana po ay masaya kayo sa araw na ito. Ang sarili din po sa inyong dalawa, stay strong lang po kayo. Ito po kami handang kikiligin po para sa inyo. And super proud po kami and thankful po sa inyong dalawa dahil kayo po ang naging leader namin. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig po sa mga hinaing po namin. Maraming salamat din po CF sa mataas na pasensya at handang makinig po para sa aming lahat. The best advisor po kayo para sa amin. Idol ko po kayo the way po na pinaintindi niyo po sa amin yung mga bagay-bagay. Thank you din po, Master, sa lahat po ng blessings na binigay niyo po sa amin. Super appreciated po and thankful po kami sa inyong dalawa ni CF. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Again, happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa and happy mansari po sa inyo. We love you po. Ako po si Agent Denise by Admin Marimar. Thank you po. We love you po.
Hello po, Agent Jenna here. I just want to say happy birthday, Master Founder and CF. And thank you for the love and care and for sharing your blessings with the every family. We're truly blessed to have you. Stay healthy and stay safe po kayo palagi. God bless.
Hello po, I would like to greet happy birthday Master Founder and CF My Love. Wishing you both more birthdays to come in happiness. Enjoy your day. I'm Agent Mil under by Agent Mary. Happy birthday Master and CF and happy Mansari. God bless from Team Agent Bell.
Hello po, Master and CF My Love. Happy birthday po. Wish you good health, long life, and more blessings to come po. God blesses you always. Love you.
Hi, sa FN Master. Ako nga pala to si TF Agent Flora from Cebu. Anyway, you're older than yesterday but you're younger than tomorrow. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health and be happy always. God bless and more candles to blow. Happy birthday!
Hello po, I'm TFA Nalin under Master. Gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday, Master Master Founder and CF My Love. Wish ko lang po sa inyong dalawa na stay strong, good health, and more blessings to come. Thank you po sa mga biyayang binigay niyo sa amin. Thank you sa mga blessings niyo na sinishare niyo sa amin. More bigwin.
Master, hi CF. Ako po pala si Agent Mary. And happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. And gusto ko lang po pala magpasalamat sa inyo kasi po nagiging matatag po kayo na leader sa amin. And maraming salamat po pala sa mga blessings po na binigay po sa amin. And God bless po and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Happy birthday po.
Good morning. I am TFA Hani under by TFA Luna, and I want to greet a happy birthday to our dear CF My Love and Master Founder. Enjoy your birthday. God bless, and that's all.
I am TFA Cherry under by Admin Luna, and I want to greet a happy birthday to CF My Love and Master Founder. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hi, have a good day. I'm TFA Rasha under Agent Mark. I just want to say a happy birthday to Master Founder and CF My Love of Team Fighter Agency. Wishing you both good health always. May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smile a day can bring, all the blessing a life can unfold. May you get all the world best in everything. Thank you both for being a good leader of Team Fighter Agency, and thank you for sharing your blessing with us. Happy birthday!
I'm TFA Sheila under by TF Agent Myrai. Happy birthday, safe my love and
Hello, CF My Love and Master. This is TFA Miyuki underneath TFA Agent Myrai. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and I hope your dream come true. God bless.
Hi, good day. I'm TFA Miss Rion under by TF Agent Myrai, and I'm here today to greet Master Founder and CF My Love. I hope in this special day of your life, I wish that you get more happiness and joy you deserve and all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you again. I'm TFA Miss Rion. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm TFA Persila under by TFA Agent Myrai. Happy birthday, CF My Love and Master Founder. More birthdays to come, both of you. Bye.
Hi, I'm TFA Ginalen under of TFA Agent Marai. Babati po ako ng happy birthday, Safe My Love and Master. Hope more blessings to come and enjoy your birthday. Best wishes both of you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May God richest blessing may rest upon you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May God richest blessing may rest upon you. Yay! Today is your special birthday po, CF My Love and Master Founder. Kaya naman, kami po ay bumabati sa inyo ng isang malakasang happy birthday! So ako po si Unay, under po ni Agent Mark. Kami po ay buong puso magpapasalamat sa inyo, paggabay sa amin. And alam ko po na wala na po akong mahihiling pa sa inyo dahil nasa inyo na ang lahat. Nawa po ay mag-enjoy kayo today and muli po ay happy birthday po. God bless po. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, CFM Master. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday. Singin lang. Charis!
Hi, I'm Gaya from TFE from Mom's Soul. Happy birthday, Master, and happy anniversary to both of you. I wish you be a good health and a strong relationship. Keep strong and smile and be happy and humble and be a good health to both of you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary. God bless.
Hello po, good morning. Ako po si TF Aker, under po ni Agent Bell. Gusto ko lang po sanang batiin ngayon si Master at si CF po sa kanilang kaarawan ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng binibigay niya sa amin at more blessings to come. God bless you both po!
Hi, I'm TFA Clara, under TFA Agent Meray. Mabati po ako ng happy birthday CF My Love and Master. I hope more blessings to come. Enjoy your birthday and bless wish both of you.
Hello po, good day. I'm TFA Mejia, under Master Founder. I just wanted to say happy birthday Master Founder and Ma'am CF My Love. Wish ko lang po sa inyo dalawa is stay strong, more birthdays to come, more blessings to come, and good health always. Thank you po sa mga blessings na sinishare nyo po sa amin, sa mga biyaya na binigay nyo po. Thank you and God bless.
Hello po, ako po si TFA Eileen. Hello po, Master Founder and CF My Love. Happy birthday. Stay strong, both of you. God bless you po. Thank you po sa ayuda always. More blessings to come and have a good health po. God bless you. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, CF My Love and Master. Ako po si Miss Scorpio, under po ako ni Agent Myray. Nais ko lang pong bumati sa inyong dalawa ng happy birthday. Sana po maligaya kayo sa kaarawan niyo at sana marami pa pong blessing ang dumating sa inyo. God bless po. Happy birthday.
Hello po, CF My Love and Master Founder. I'm TF Agent Myray. I want to greet you, both of you, on your special day, a happy birthday. And I hope may this year be your best one yet filled with endless opportunities and joy. Enjoy your special day po, CF My Love and Master Founder, and God bless po. And sometimes po visit my channel po. Joke lang po. Bye-bye.
Ako nga pala si TFA My Girl, agent ni TFA Agent Myray. Happy birthday nga pala sa inyong dalawa, CF and Master. God bless you too.
On these special days of your life, I wish that both of you guys get more happiness and joy that you deserve. May the light of the Lord shine upon you and grant you happiness on this birthday and for many years to come. May your paths be straightened by the hand of the Lord. Happy birthday to both of you, Master Founder and CF, and may God bless you. I am TFA Mingming, under Agent Denise, and God bless us all, Team Fighter family.
CF at Master.